Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to sit down and just do a quick chit chat, get ready with me. It's the weekend, I'm actually going out. And I figured, you know, let me put the camera on because I have a few things I purchased from Sephora. They're not new, but they're new for me. And I wanted to put it on. I didn't get anything new for my eyes. So I'm using my Patrick Ta palette, but today, and what I've been loving, I've been using the cool tones. So I used all of the cool tones on the bottom except for the black shade. So I've been doing this nice sort of 90s cool tone eye lately, and I don't know, I've just been loving it, and I'm still obsessed with this palette. So it's like nothing new. I don't know if you guys watched my last video, but I had said that I was I tried to do a skin peel on my face at home. It made my skin so dry, so I have a lot of dryness here, so that's why I haven't been filming. It looked like really bad. So I have a lot of hydration on today, and I mixed in my the Niacinamide's, the illuminating veil. I mixed it in with my strobe cream and that's why it looks sort of shiny. And I color corrected with my the Makeup Forever HD in the tube. All right, so I picked up this It Cosmetics CC cream. I saw one of the girls that I look at on TikTok, and we have about the same complexion. She used it and her skin looked phenomenal. I've always heard about it. And I said, you know, let me pick it up, but I'm going to pick it up in the small size. I got it in the small size. It's only $21 because I'm thinking I have so much foundations, what if I don't like it? So I got the shade Neutral Rich. I haven't opened it yet. I got it, I would say like a week ago, and I've been waiting to use it on camera, but my skin was not cooperating at all. So I got the little one. It's little and small, but it looks so good on her skin. And I went on Sephora and I looked at the reviews, and oh my god, the reviews were phenomenal. Everybody was like loving it. So I'm like, you know what, let me try it. So this is Neutral Rich. I hope it's a nice shade because I heard so many good things about it. Oh, I love this shade. So this is supposed to be the #1. What did it say? It said #1 SPF, I think. The #1 SPF foundation in America. It's full coverage as well. So because my Black Girl sunscreen finished and I picked up the one from Good Molecules, I hate it. I have it on today. It leaves such a white cast. When it finishes, or maybe I'll get the Black Girl sunscreen. Oh, this feels nice. Look at the shade. I did a good job because there weren't a lot of shades in the mini size. But this looks good. And it smells nice. If you guys have it. Oh, yeah. This is full coverage. I'm gonna need, oh wow. Oh, the color is amazing. I love this really deep golden color. It's like a yellow golden, very warm. I think I'm gonna have to use I can't use a concealer that has too much yellow. I'm gonna have to use my Urban Decay concealer. All right, this is nice. And it's afternoon. Like I said, I'm going out. So it's about 5 o'clock. So I don't have a lot of natural light. So I turned up my ring light a little. So I'm going in with the Urban Decay concealer in 70 NN. This is not new. Yeah. Because this is, I need a neutral shade with this concealer because it's very golden mixed in with like, with this concealer, with this foundation. I love the coverage as well. Like when she put it on, she was on a live. Oh my god, her skin looked phenomenal. All right, so I also bought a new Makeup Forever HD stick because I have it in Y505 and I used it the other day and it looked so, I've always liked that foundation stick and it looked so beautiful. And I was like, I have to get it in the right shade because it's light. So I got the shade Y535. Oh my god, I haven't used it yet, but I know it's going to be phenomenal. It's darker, so I won't have to do too much manipulation because I really forgot how much I liked that HD foundation stick. And I was in Sephora a couple weeks ago and I picked it up and I said, you know what? I mean, I saw it and I said, you know what? I have to have the right shade because I've always had the wrong shade in that foundation. So I already know I'm going to buy the full size of this CC cream. I love it. I think it looks amazing. And when you guys wear stuff that has so much SPF and sunscreen, do you wear sunscreen as well? Because I'm doubled up and it's kind of getting dark outside, but I don't mind it. I haven't used my Saie cream bronzer in a while, so I'm going to use it today. What shade do I have it in? So I have this in the shade Deep Bronze, so it's more of a bronzer than a contour. I haven't picked it up in a while. This is what the shade looks like. I'm going to use my fingers for now, just to put it like right here, because it's not as deep. I always thought I was going to buy a deeper version of this bronzer, and I never did it. And I've been bringing my contour up a little bit more, especially like putting it exactly where I can like feel my cheekbones, just to like snatch my face so I can have that and I'm going to clean it up with concealer just to have that model-esque look. It's going on really nice with my fingers, at least I think so. But I'm just going to take a brush and kind of like just get it. But it went on nice with my fingers. But you know, makeup artists always say your fingers are your best, is the best tool. This is a pretty color. I've forgotten how nice it is. It's really nice. All right, so for under eye powder, what I've been doing, I've been going in with my Fit Me in shade 30. And so I've been using two powders under eye. Been going in with this to set, and then I've been baking a little bit with my Kimchi powder. I know for a person with dry skin, it seems like a lot, but I love the results. And I don't think it looks too bad. And I really, my base is like super hydrated today. And then I've been going in with the Kimchi powder, and I've been taking my little powder puff, the Amazon one. And this has like a nice peachy tone to it. This is in Suntan. And I've just been putting a little like right here. Blending it out a little bit. Like that. Just for like brightening. And then I've been letting it sit while I go in with my all over face powder. All right, so for all over face powder, I purchased this face powder from Selena Gomez and Rare Beauty. It's called the Always an Optimist Soft Radiance Setting Powder. I saw Radiance. I saw the price. It's only $25. I was on it, and I got the shade medium deep. I'm now opening this also for the first time because, like I said, I was just doing eye makeup this week because of my dry skin. So yeah, when I saw Radiance, I was like, oh, I'm getting on this. This is what the packaging looks like. Nice and pretty, the typical Rare Beauty packaging. Oh, the inside, why does it look like it's spilled already? This is the Rare Beauty logo. Because it looks as though the powder comes out of here, but there's no plastic. I'm pretty sure there was supposed to be a plastic. I wonder if somebody returned this and this is the one that I got. I purchased this online because I'm pretty sure there should be a plastic and there should be no powder spilled. Anyway, let's see. Let's put some over. I don't know, should I put this on with a sponge or brush? I'm going to use my sponge because I put like all over powder on my face with a sponge. It has a nice, rich, golden undertone. See that? So I think it's going to work out fine. It's kind of strange, right? That the plastic was off. Maybe somebody returned it. But it had like nice reviews online. Oh, this is super light. This is very light, almost like the Makeup Forever Veil powder. You guys own this powder? I love the shade. I need some more because, you know, I'm a powder girl. But this is not, this, it already feels like it's not going to be drying at all. Pretty packaging. I like the logo inside. I've heard people talk about getting stuff. Sometimes you buy stuff and it looked as though like the packaging like was used. I don't think it's ever happened to me. At least I don't remember. Well, I should have definitely had some kind of plastic over it. Oh, I love how everything is looking. The products look really nice. All right, so I'm going to just dust this off with my brush. And I like how it just snatches my under eye. I've worn it alone, but I tried it like this the other day and I liked how it looked. All right, so I did my bottom liner off camera. I love this powder too. It feels so light on my skin. I think it makes my skin look very soft and like a little glowy. This looks really, really pretty, this little powder. Do you guys own it? It's really nice. Okay, so for powder bronzer, so I've been doing a lot of decluttering, as you guys know. And I'm trying to go through all my makeup. And so this contour and highlighter palette from Miss Kimmy Cakes herself. And this is in medium deep. I'm going to use the reddish sort of shade, or maybe I'll mix them. So now, you know, she came out with pencils, lip liners and lip pencils in a palette. I went on there. I picked up two, yeah, this is, I forgot how pretty this shade was. So I picked up 2 liners and 2 lippies, right? That's all I picked up. 2 liners, 2 lippies. Girl, I put it in my basket. I clicked checkout. It says $108. And I don't even think the taxes was added. I don't know if, I'm in New York. Did they put the New York stuff there before? I exit out of that so fast. I'm like, no. I was like, I got too much lip liners and too many nude lipsticks. Because I was very intrigued because I love any type of like nude. I was like, no girl, I cannot give you my coin for 2 lipsticks and for 2 liners. I couldn't do it. And you know how I'm a fiend for makeup, but I don't think I've completely lost my mind. I could not do it. I was like, what? I exited out of that damn shopping cart so fast, and no shade to her, but no, we're not doing that. We are not doing that. All right, so for blush, where did that come from? I know in England they say blusher. I'm gonna go in with my Patrick Ta. Is this Do We Know Her? I always forget. Yes. I feel like doing peach today. And this is like my favorite peach at the moment. And as usual, I like to put the powder down first. And if you're here for the first time watching me, don't be intimidated by this palette or the shades. It looks really pretty on deeper skin, in my humblest of opinions. This CC cream. And this has been out for years. This is nothing new, but I'm now discovering it. This is lovely. And it's color correcting too. SPF of 50. Wow. This is nice. I love me some peach. I've just been obsessed with peach lately. I cannot get enough of peach. Any type of peach, I'm here for it. Peach or pink, but mostly peach. And then I like to go over top with the cream. And I'm going to be very generous today. All right, so I'm going to set my face, and I need all the dew and the moisture I can get. So I'm going in with my Gucci spray. Look at it already. I use it quite a bit. I love it. I would not encourage you to get it because It's so good. All right, so to like highlight my cheek, I'm going in with my fave at the moment from Valentino. This is in Bright Dream. They market it as a blush, but to me it's when it comes with this cute little brush, to me it's more of a I've been using it more of like a topper highlighter. It's like a gold peach shade. It's so phenomenally pretty. It's pricey, but oh, so pretty. I love this so much. I love the formula of it. It's nice. It's really nice. Put some on my nose. I love this, the CC cream and this powder. All right, so for lips, I purchased one of the Makeup by Mario lipsticks because, and that same girl I was talking about that used the CC cream, she was talking about them. She didn't have the shade though. I'm ripping the box. Like, what if I don't like it and I want to bring it back? Can you bring back lipstick since it touched your lips? I've never taken back lipstick. Yeah. So I got the shade Flat Iron. And you know I love me some Makeup by Mario. So this is, I wanted something nude. And this is what it looks like. It's like a pinky nude. Feels nice and creamy, just swatching it there on my hand because I've had this for a little bit and I was waiting to do it on camera. So I'm gonna go in with a brown liner. I'm using Simmer Down Brown from Wet n Wild. I wonder if I should have used my Makeup Forever liner. All right, so let's see how it looks on the lips. Let me use my mirror straight ahead. I would really have to build this up. If you're lighter than me, maybe it'll show up more. All right, this is a Limitless Brown from Makeup Forever. Let's see if this helps. And this has more of a red undertone. What do you guys think? Did that help any? The formula is nice though. It feels super nice. I thought it would have had more of a color like my Juvia's Place Lady. This one is lighter and more on the cool side, at least on my skin. It's like super creamy and glossy. Like it gives you a nice pout. The formula is beautiful. I would say that. The formula is beautiful. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I like how everything came out. I really like the CC cream. I'm going to get the larger size. And I really like this powder. I'm anxious to see like how it wears, how my skin looks, if I'm going to keep looking, because I can see like a slight glow from within as the day go on. It's really pretty. I like this lipstick. I have to use a lot of lip liner though. Like I kept mixing because I went back in with both of them off camera. I have to keep like mixing them in. But the lipstick is super pretty, very comfortable. It's so creamy on the lips. Very pretty. All right, guys. I want to thank you for watching this little mini get ready with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.